Hi everyone. Once again, this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, quick, and healthy recipe. Today, I will share to you another recipe that is easy and quick that can be done in a few minutes yet so healthy. Easy Italian salad. To my followers, thank you for being with me again. And for new here, I hope you learn and enjoy this recipe. Write in the comment your name and your country, then I can greet you on my next video. Rucola has a peppery and slightly bitter flavor, which adds a unique and refreshing taste to salads and other dishes. Is rucola nutritious? Yes, rucola is highly nutritious. It is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, calcium, and potassium. Have 1 piece of avocado. Avocados are a type of berry that contain a wide range of nutrients and may have various health benefits. Some of the health benefits of avocado are improving digestion and gut health, lowering the risk of depression and heart disease, preventing bone loss and cancer, supporting heart health and body weight, providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, being a smart choice during pregnancy and breastfeeding, being a versatile and delicious ingredient. This can be done in a few minutes, so I hope you can still follow the recipe. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what would you like to see next. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. This recipe is good to make if you come late from work or on a diet and no time for dinner. It's packed with vitamins and nutrient. Have a handful of cherry tomato. I prepare with different kinds of color. It's colorful and bring more to appetite. If it's not available in your place, use ordinary tomato. It has the same taste and nutrients, rich in antioxidants such as lycopene, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, which help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Boost immunity and act as an antioxidant due to their vitamin C content. Support heart health by helping regulate blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Promote healthy skin and hair. Add 4 to 5 pieces of mozzarella pearl. For the dressing, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, pinch of coriander, a pinch of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then mix well. With the hot summer weather arriving quickly, a cool, crisp salad can be the basis for a light and refreshing meal. They're easy to make at home and to order in a restaurant when dining out. And, with their multiple health benefits, consuming a serving of leafy greens each day can be one of the best habits to get into, summer or winter. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always notify. Have a happy, healthy meal.